Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good afternoon, students. Okay, how are you today? Okay, alhamdulillah, always better and better. Okay, welcome back to our program, Student Assembly. Yay, giving applause for us. Okay, guys, so today, Al Razi and Al Farazi class wants to present about their project. Do you know what project? Yeah, the student created a poster and mind map is about natural damages. So are you ready to present? Okay, before Ustazah call your name, Ustazah will check your enthusiasm with our tagline. If Ustazah say student assembly and do your best. Okay, repeat once more. Student assembly and do your best. Yay! Giving applause for us. Okay, now let's call the first students to present her project. Do you know who is she? Okay, let's call Kak Abelia Cinta. Please come to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Abelia from 6A. Today I will be presenting about my mind mapping project, which is about natural damages. There are many kinds of natural damages like flooding or earthquakes and tsunamis and more. But today in my presentations, I will be talking about air pollution. First, definition. What is air pollution? Air pollution is a contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, or biological agents that modifies the natural characteristic of the air. Yes. Seconds, what are the causes? Air pollution can be caused by motor vehicles, forest fires or wildfires, industrial emissions, and industrial facilities. Number 3, how to prevent it from happening. To prevent it from happening, you can start by changing little habits that can cause air pollution, like reducing the use of motor vehicles and plant more greenery and smoking less and recycle or buy recycled products. Number 4, how to face air pollution. Air pollution can give us illness, so you can start healthy habits like wearing a mask when you are outdoor, keeping your body healthy by eating more proteins or vitamins on the food, and walk or bike more often than go on car journeys. And the last, impact in daily life. Air pollution can be harm our health, and like respiratory disorders, heart disease, and asthma. But not only for humans, air pollution can harm Earth too, like global warming or ozone depletion. That is it from me. I hope my presentation can be learned and can put to good use. If there's any mistakes, I beg your pardon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kak, for the presentation. Now Sada will give you a question. So, natural damages are mainly caused by human action and natural change. How are you categorize air pollution? Is it caused by human action or natural changes?
Human actions.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Thank you.
Yay! Giving applause for Kak Abel. Thank you, Kak Abel, for your presentation. And now, let's call the next students. Who is he? Okay, let's call our friend Kak Rafasha. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rafasya. I'm from grade 6A. Now I will presentation about my mapping about natural damage is about water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is come from waste in a factory. The reason waste in a to damage wasted by also often the case of water evolution will survive common the waste this evolution come how virus that contain the source one from soap water the of waste of name of water will still heal and dirty impact. How to reduce? The first reduce the of chemical to clean this house. Dispensing of washing in the right way. Keep pollutant source away from a water source. How to deal with using environmentally friendly materials to carry about safe trimming property. Keep pollution source always from water source. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for the presentation. Now Sada will give you a question. So your mind map shows that it is caused by.
E-waste in factory.
Okay, so it's human action.
Yes.
Can you give Sada one more example that caused by the same activity and how to prevent it?
Human activity.
Yes.
Throw rubbish in a river.
Yes,
Can
okay.
be
And then
avoidable.
how to prevent so that it won't happen
Always
again?
throw rubbish in the dustbin.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you, Karafasha. Giving applause for Karafasha, guys. Okay, now do you know who is the next presenter today? Okay, let's call our friend Kak Akbar. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Akbar. I from grade 6A. Today I will present my poster about natural damage. This is my poster. My poster is landslide. Landslide cause there are no tree roots to hold the ground when it rains. How to prevent landslide? 1. Do not make ponds at there's about the sharps. 2. Don't build a house under a shelf. 3. Don't out dust tree. Don't cut tree around the slopes. 4. Don't cut spread productions ships. 5. Do not build buildings around the river. And how to face? 1. Evacuate. 2. Get out of the way. 3. Be careful and alert during flood. 4. Rolls up like a enterter. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Thank you for your presentation. Usada wants to ask, can you give Usada one more ways to prevent landslide?
Do not build anything in mountain that can be landslide.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Akbar. Okay, before Ustazah call the next presenter, Ustazah will check your enthusiasm again. Student assembly, and do your best. Okay, now let's call Kak Alfan. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alfan. I'm from 6B. Today I want to present my natural damage. The title is water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the event of the entry of substance or other components into the waters. And what is water pollution components? Components into the water. Water pollution is a major global problem that requires evaluation. And how to deal with cleaning the water resources from rubbish. Then how to prevent. 1. Perform waste treatment properly using environmentally friendly materials. Do not throw garbage in the other water resources using environmentally identity and decommodation. And that's all my person. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So water pollution is caused by, is it by human action or natural change?
Natural change.
Natural change. Okay,
Human change.
okay, human action. Can you please give Usada one more example on how to deal with water pollution?
Throw rubbish, not throw rubbish in other sea and water resources.
Okay, thank you Kak.
Wow, the nice presentation from Kak Alvan. Giving applause for him. Okay, now please welcome Kak Alvia. Giving applause for Kak Alvia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alvia. I'm from 6B class. Now I want to presentation my poster. It's about natural damage of flood. The cause of natural damage, it can caused by human and caused by nature. The example caused by human is throw rubbish in the river, building house near the river. And caused by nature is heavy rainfall and high tide. And how to prevent it? The first is plant more tree or plant that can absorb more water, and stop building house near the river. And the solution is drain the water using pump. And that's all my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So the question is, can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that is caused by human action and how to deal with it?
The example is tree lodging. Tree lodging.
Okay.
And we can stop it. And we can stop it.
How?
As to people not to broke the plants or tree.
Okay, thank you Kak.
Thank you, Kak Alvia, for your presentation. Giving applause for her. Okay, now do you know who is the next presenter? Okay, let's call our friend Kak Anissa. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anissa. I'm from 6B. Now I want to present about my poster of natural damage. I choose a earthquake to become my poster. Do you know what is earthquake? Earthquake is a shaking phenomenon that occur on Earth activities. What causes earthquake? Earthquakes are usually caused by the movement of by earth crust or that's the frequency of a recent reference to the type and size of earthquakes experienced. Do you know how to prevent the earthquakes? The first is must be built with earthquakes. 2. Development of public facility with high quality standard. 3. Reinforcement of building by adhering to building quality. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Kak for the presentation. Okay, can you give us one more example? Natural damage that is caused by natural change and how natural change. One more natural damage that is caused by natural change and how to deal with it.
Flood. Can you?
Can you give us one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural change?
Flood.
Okay, and can you give us how to deal with flood? How to deal with flood?
Project aircraft.
Okay, thank you.
Wow, the nice presentation from Kak Anissa. Now, please welcome Kak Nabila. Give you applause for her.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Nabila and I'm from 6A. And today I will do a presentation on my science project, which is making on my map about natural damages. So as you can see, I got a flood. So I will try my best to explain about flood. In short, flood is a natural disaster event that occurs when an excessive flows of water submerges to land, from land to land. Yeah. The causes of floods are usually people throwing trash to the rivers, maybe like people just throwing trash not in the trash can. What to do if there's a flood happening? What you can do is just try to stay calm and also move immediately to higher ground. To prevent flood from happening, you can throw trash in the trash can, not somewhere in the river. So, yeah, that's all about my presentation about flood. I'm sorry if I said something too fast or I blanked out all of a sudden. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for the presentation. Sada will ask you a question. So, flood can be happen when there is too much waste on the water. So can you tell me how to prevent so there will be no more flood?
To prevent it, if you have some waste, you should not throw it in a place that have waters, because if you throw it in like the river or somewhere, it will rise up and it will cause a flood.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Nabila. Okay, do you know who is the next presenter? Okay, let's call Kak Aulia. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Alia. I'm from 6A. One presentation about my mapping. My mapping is natural dynamics. Let's go to my presentation. Number 1. How to deal soil pollution is recall inorganic, metal, message, booklets, and rubber and others. In fact, that pollution is first culture as cause of erosion of and plants. Number 2, cause of soil pollution is agricultural waste time of patient, the chemical for fertilizers and the chemical fertilizers can cause of contaminant. Number 3, what is the out of soil pollution? Plant cannot grow and and number 4 is solution for soil pollution. The soil focuses fertilizer. The excessive level of the soil pH is out of salinity in emits of fall. Thank you for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So, okay. Natural damage is mainly caused by human action or natural change. How do you categorize soil pollution? Is it caused by human action or natural change?
Human activity.
Human action. So if it caused by human action, how do you think you can prevent soil pollution?
You can do throw rubbish in everywhere.
Nggak dengar.
We can not throw rubbish in every place or in river. It can make soil pollution.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Aulia. Okay, now let's call the next presenter. Do you know who is she? Okay, let's call Kak Rara. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rara. I'm from grade 6A. Today I will presentation about natural dynamics. My title is wildfire. What is wildfire?
Wildfire is event of forest and or land burning both naturally. How to prevent the wildfire? Keep the incinerator at least 50 feet from building and 500 feet from forest. What is the causes of wildfire? Lightning strikes tree off or building, and volcanic eruptions gather chunks of hot coals. How to face the wildfire? Reckless bird, we must be careful not to burn anything near the forest. That's all about my presentation about natural damage. Thank you. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So, wildfire is. What do you think of wildfire? Do you think it is caused by human action or natural change?
Human.
Human action. Can wildfire caused by natural change?
No.
No. Okay. So how to prevent the wildfire if it's because human
Not
action?
play fire anything in the forest maybe.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you, Karara, for your nice presentation. Okay, now let's call the next presenter. He is Kak Arya. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Arya. I'm from grade 6B. Now I will present about my poster, that is air pollution. First, I want to say thank you to all Ustad and Ustazah that already let me present my poster. And my first word is say no to smoke because smoke is harm us. Now I will tell how to prevent air pollution. First, we need make less factory action. And then stop using cars, motorbike and other. And often use bicycle because bicycle can produce smoke. And how to face with air pollution? First, we need to wear a mask. Then we need to stay in our home because out there's so many smoke that can make us cannot breathe. And how to prevent what is the cause of air pollution? The cause of air pollution is some of factories activities. So in our world there are so many factories activities that make a smoke in the sky. Second, too many people use motorcycle and cars. And this is my word. Make the switch to clean electricity and transport. Together, we can make air breathable again. And the last,
our earth can be happy if we keep it clean and safe. So I think that's enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So you say that vehicle and transportation that can produce smoke can also cause air pollution.
Yes.
So what if we need to go out of town or transferred far away? How do we move?
We can still use transportation, but don't use it too many and long because it can make so many air pollutions.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, the nice presentation from Kak Arya. Giving applause for him. Okay, before Ustazah call the next presenter, Ustazah will check your enthusiasm. If Ustazah says student assembly, please you can answer. Take action and do your best. Okay, student assembly, take action and do your best. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, let's call the next presenter. He is Kak Azam. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Azam. I'm from 6B, and now I will present about the mind map that I made about the natural damage landslide. What is landslide? Landslide is a ground damage that cause a damage to the surface area. So, if we want to face a landslide, we could just bring first aid kit, water and food so we can survive the landslide. And also, if we want to prevent the landslide, we could just stop illegal wood cutting and plant more trees. So landslide also have a types. The first is heavy landslide and also the light landslide. The heavy landslide is mostly happen in some of nation that have a mountains and a hill. Heavy landslide usually does a heavy damage to the surface area, and light landslide usually to do in the tropical area like in the Indonesia or Malaysia. It usually does light damage to the surface area. So, and that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Kak, thank you for your presentation.
Yeah.
So, beside preparing the supply for face the landslide, can you give Sada one more way to deal with landslide?
To deal with landslide, we could just go to the like bunker or something.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Yes.
Okay, thank you Kak Azam for your nice presentation. Okay, now please call the next presenter. She is Kak Bunga from Al Razi. Welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bunga. I'm from 6B. Today I will presentation about natural damage. It is tsunami. Tsunami is one type of natural damage related of ocean wave. The cause of tsunami is there is undersea earthquake, underwater landslide, and there was a meteor strike. And the disaster impact is there was damage everywhere, hiding economic activity and material loss. The signs of a tsunami disaster is the sea water suddenly receded and there was a roar. So that's all about my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So can you give us one more ways how to deal with tsunami? How to deal with tsunami? Since you have tell us about the cause and the impact and how the signs of the tsunami, can you give us ways to deal with tsunami? How to deal or how to face tsunami? I think you can more apa ya? Keep the sea. Okay. Yes. Yeah. You can keep the the sea. How you can keep the sea. Okay. Thank you, Kak. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Kak Bunga. Giving applause for Kak Bunga. Okay, now please welcome Kak Fahri from Al Farazi. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will presentation about natural damage that water pollution. How to prevent water pollution? We must not throw rubbish in the river and other water. How to face? We have to clean the river from plastic and all rubbish. The cause because humans throw rubbish into the river.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So, what do you think of water pollution? Is it caused by human action or natural change?
Human action.
Human action. And have you done anything to prevent water pollution? Like, can you tell Usada how do you prevent water pollution?
Throw rubbish in dustbin. Throw rubbish in dustbin, not in river.
Okay, thank you Kak.
Okay, thank you Kak Fahri for your presentation. Okay, now let's call the next presenter from Al-Farazi. He is Kak Fatan. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fatan, and I want to presentation about my post project about earthquake. I will explain about how to face causes and how to prevent earthquake. The causes is earthquakes are usually caused when underground rock suddenly breaks and there is rapid motion along as a fault. The sudden release energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake. And how to face? 1. If you are in a car, pull over and stop. Set your parking brake. 2. If you are in bed, turn face down and cover your head and neck with pillow. 3. If you are outdoors, stay outdoors away from buildings. 4. If you are inside, stay and do not run outside and avoid the race. And how to prevent? We cannot prevent natural earthquakes from occurring, but we can significantly mitigate their effects by identifying hazards, building safer structures, and providing education on earthquake safety. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So, can you give Ustada one example of natural damage that is caused by natural change?
Tsunami.
Okay, and how to deal with tsunami?
Go in the high place.
Okay, thank you Kak.
Yay, giving applause for Kak Fatan. Okay, now please welcome the next presenter. He is Kak Feroz. Giving applause for him.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Feroz. I want to presentation about my project. My project is about flood. What is flood? A flood is you can just think anything. Do not think in negatively. Remember of people don't live. Don't forget to protect animal from floods as sea and river. We have to know that if we don't have animal, how will we live? Stop, don't destroy it, then the environment until now fail. Sorry for the animal that are polluted by polluter and natural disasters. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay Kak, thank you for your presentation. So, have you done any activities that can prevent flooding?
Yes.
What is that?
Don't throw rubbish in sea or in river.
Okay, thank you Kak.
Okay, Us, thank you.
Okay, thank you Kak Feroz for your presentation. Okay, now please welcome the next presenter from Al-Razi. She is Kak Hana. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hana. I'm from grade 6B. Today I will presentation about my mind map entitled Wildfire. So, do you know what a wildfire is? Wildfire is forest and land fires or kahutla are even where a even where forests and or land are burned, either naturally or by human action, resulting in environmental damage, causing ecological, economic, and political losses. The causes of wildfires are the causes of natural forest fires. For examples are lightning striking trees or buildings, and volcanic eruptions that scatter chunks of burning coals. So how to prevent? Keep the incinerator at least 50 feet from the building and 500 feet from the forest. Do not throw cigarette carelessly, and do not make bonfires in fire-prone area. So, how to face? First, looking for a safe or escape. Second, notify residents around the forest. Third, calling the fire department or put out the fire manually with water. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the presentation. Can you explain what are the impacts of wildfires? Like what happened to the animals in the forest after the wildfires?
The animals were extinct
Okay.
and die.
Thank you, Kak.
Wow, the nice presentation from Kak Hana. Giving applause for her, guys. Okay, now let's call the next presenters. It's still from Al Razi class. Do you know who is she? Okay, let's call Kak Viola. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Viola. I'm from 6B. Today I will presentation my mind map about wildfire. What is the causes of wildfire? Wildfire occurs because of human activity. For example, people who smoke and don't put off the fire. How to prevent wildfire? Namely by patrolling and monitoring forest area. And how to deal wildfire? We must equipment to deal wildfire or speed up evacuation and extinguishing that will reduce losses. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for the presentation. So, about wildfire, what do you think is the impact of wildfire? Like what happened to the places around the forest if they got in fire? What happened to the animals?
Will die. Huh?
Is that all? Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Viola. Okay, now do you know who is the next presenter? Okay, still from Al Razi class. Okay, let's call Kak Hina. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hino and I want to presentation about my poster. It's called soil pollution. And the definition of soil pollution is a presence of chemicals such as pollutants or chemicals in the soil which can be toxic. And the causes about soil pollution. Agricultural activities, industrial activity, poor management or inefficient disposal of waste. And the soil pollution about the how to prevent. Encourage a more eco-friendly model for industry, farming and stock breeding, among other economic activities. And the deal of soil pollution is recycle inorganic waste such as plastic, metal, glass, rubber, and others. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So, is soil pollution caused by human activity or by natural change?
Human activity.
Human activity. Can you give us the example one activity that have you done to prevent soil pollution?
Can you?
One activity that you've done to prevent soil pollution.
Like throw in the trash into like dustbin, I think.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Wow, good presentation from Kak Hino. And now please call the next presenter from Alfarasi class. Please welcome Kak Kevin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kevin. I am from 6A. Today I will present about soil pollution. What is soil pollution? Soil pollution refers to the temporary use high concentration of contaminants in soil. While contaminants such as metals, inorganic ions, salt, and inorganic compounds naturally occur in soils. These can exceed natural levels and qualify as pollution. Causes: man-made pollutant, accidental spills and leaks, mining activities, construction activities, agricultural activities, transportation activities, chemical waste dumping, the storage of waste in landfills, cracked paint chips. Natural pollutant, natural accumulation, natural production, and leaks from sewer lines. How to prevent? Take a pledge to end soil pollution. No more chemicals. Start composting organic matter. Start a worm farm. Use effective microorganism. Plant trees. How to deal? Nutrient management, take waste, practice and conserve resource. Year-round ground covering field buffer. Conservation tillage. Access to stream for livestock. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So, how do you categorize soil pollution by the cause? Is it caused by human activity or by natural change?
Human activities.
Okay, human activity. Can you tell Ustada one activity that you've done to prevent soil pollution? Like from your mind map, there are start a worm farm, use effective microorganism. Have you start a worm farm or do something like that to prevent soil pollution? One activity that you've done to prevent soil pollution. Apa? From your presentation, like how to prevent soil pollution, there are take a pledge, there are no more chemicals, start a composting organic, start a worm farm, use effective microorganism, and plant trees. Can you tell Ustada your activity to prevent soil pollution? What you do to prevent soil pollution?
Trash.
Like you can throw rubbish at the dustbin or you do not throw it elsewhere.
Throw the rubbish.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you Kak Kevin for your presentation. And now let's call the next presenter. He is Kak Lazwardi. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about natural damage. About volcano eruption. The causes of volcano eruption. Volcanic eruption are events that occur due to magma deposit in the bowels of the earth which are pushed out by high pressure gas. How to face? 1. Get to know the local area to determine a safe place to evacuate. Number 2, make a disaster management plan. Criteria are verified. How to prevent volcano eruption? If you in the home and you can, you must escape tightly close windows, door and house fan. Final result, volcano eruption. The result of volcano eruption are volcanic gas, lava and sand flows, and hot rock, lava landslides, earthquakes, eruption, ash, hot clouds. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your presentation. Is volcano eruption caused by human activity or natural change?
natural change.
Can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural change?
Earthquakes.
Earthquakes. Thank you, Kak.
Wow, the nice presentation from Kak Lazu. Okay, now please welcome the next presenter. He is Kak Ibrahim. Welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ibrahim. Today, I'm gonna present about my project that I have made. Project is about air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is some chemical dangerous thing that smoke got away from a factory or maybe something like that. And what is the example of air pollution? The first is usually air pollution caused by a factory. Factory usually throw a lot of smoke in the chimney. Factory throw some smoke in the sky. Smoke that thrown could be contain dangerous things such as poison or maybe some other chemical that could be dangerous for our life. And how to prevent it to make not the air pollution? The first is usually government provide a filter that has for the chimney. And how to face it when the government didn't provide any filters or maybe something like that. Usually I prefer to use mask or something like that. And that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dul.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So from your poster, we can see that one of the mainly cause of air pollution is factory.
Yes.
Can you give Ustada one example of other ways that can cause air pollution?
Usually there is some types of vehicle that cause smoke, like truck, a car, maybe, and a motorcycle like that.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you for the presentation. And now please welcome from Al-Razi class. She is Kak Intan. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Intan Akifa Naila, but you can call me Intan. Today I want to present about my mind mapping. So, I will present about water pollution. First, the causes of water pollution. So, water is uniquely susceptible to pollution. So, the water is unable to dissolve in toxic chemical. Toxic substance, it come from the farm, cities, and factories leach and mix with them. It will cause by water pollution. So how to face the water pollution? So we can do the water resource management, or we can use the water resource wisely. And how to prevent water pollution? We can using environmentally friendly materials and Don't throw rubbish everywhere. And we can routinely carry out efforts to clean up water resource. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. So there are a lot of ways to prevent water pollution. But can you give Ustada one example of your activity to prevent water pollution?
We can like doing cooperation to clean the water resource like river, lake, and other.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ustazah.
Yay, giving applause for Kak Intan. Okay, now please welcome Kak Kanza. Yay, giving applause for Kak Kanza.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kanza. I'm from grade 6B. So today I will presentation about natural damage. Natural damage is have so many kind. But now I will tell one part that is tsunami. So now let's move to the cause of tsunami. The cause of tsunami is because an earthquake and mountain that explode under the sea. Okay, so that was the cause of tsunami, and now let's move to how to survive. How to survive from tsunami is we can move to the high place or a strong place. Okay, that's all from me. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So, tsunami is caused by natural change because you said earthquake and mountain that explodes under the sea.
Yes.
Can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that caused by natural change?
Float.
Flood. Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Kanza. Okay, now please welcome the next presenter. She is Kak Nano. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nano from 6B. Now I will presentation about my natural damage. My natural damage is volcanic eruption. Now I will tell about the causes of volcanic. The buoyancy of the magma and the pressure from the gases dissolved in the magma and the injection of some new magma into filled magma chamber. Then the solution to surviving a volcanic eruption provide mask and protective eyewear. And we can hold a clean water and follow the disaster preparedness team in your area and use footwear, closest clothing, and towards the outdoor. Next,
The record of the volcanic that erupted violently in Indonesia. First volcanic eruption in Indonesia. Heavy eruption of the Tambora volcano in Indonesia are letting up when by April 1815.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So volcanic eruption is caused by
The buoyancy of the magma.
okay, so it's natural change.
Yes.
Can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural damage and how to deal with it?
Earthquake.
Earthquake. And then how to deal with earthquake?
We must
Like you can go hide under the table
yes.
if you are in the building. Okay. Thank you, Kak.
Thanks.
Yay! Giving applause for Kak Nano. And now let's move to Al-Farazi class. For the next presenter, he is Kak Faiz. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Faiz. I'm from 6A class. Today I want to present about my mapping about landslide. Landslide event can occur when water that seep into the ground cause the weight of the soil to increase, then penetrates to the slip plant, causing it to move off the slope. How to prevent? 1. Do not make ponds or rice field above the slopes. 2. Don't build a house under a cliff. 3. Don't cut down trees around the slopes. How to face? Remain calm and move quickly to a safe place away from the landslide path. Survive in protect areas until it is completely safe. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So, Ustada wants to ask, can you give one example of your activity that can prevent landslide?
Don't cut down the trees under the slopes.
Okay, thank you Kak.
You're welcome.
Yay! Thank you Kak Faiz for your nice presentation. And now please welcome Kak Tiara. Giving applause for Kak Tiara.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Nindya Tiara Pramudita. You can call me Tiara, so it's more easier to call me. I'm from class 6A. Al-Farazi will explain and give an example of natural damage. There is so many examples of natural damage like flood, soil pollution, water pollution, and others. But today I want to explanations about tsunami. I will explanation from how to deal with the tsunamis, the definition of tsunamis, and the cause of tsunami. First, how to deal with tsunamis. When the tsunamis come, don't even you play your phone first and prioritize yourself, like go to the high place, beware of the aftershock, get away from the beach, and don't be panic. If you feel it's safe, you can call your family or friends to check if they're safe or no. And the second is the definition of tsunami. A tsunami is a seabed wave that speed up around 90 kilometers per hour. Mainly, tsunamis caused by earthquake. And how we to know if there's tsunamis come is before tsunami there is an earthquake or when the bird go to the land and fly higher. And the third is the cause of the tsunamis. Tsunamis occur with the earthquake, but not all of tsunamis can do. But not all of earthquake can cause of tsunamis. That's all about my explanation about tsunamis. I hope you all safe when the tsunamis come. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So, tsunami is caused by natural change.
Yes.
Okay. Can you give us one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural change and how to deal with it?
Earthquake.
Earthquake and
how to deal with earthquake.
And how to deal with earthquake?
Go to the place that there is small of building.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Tiara. Okay, now please welcome the next presenter. She is Kak Regina. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Regina from 6th grade. Today I will presentation about my mapping wildfire. The cause is lighting stick tree or building volcanic eruption that scatter coal of burning coal. Then how to prevent wildfire? Do not make bonfire in fire-prone area. And how to deal with wildfire? 1. Provide burning distance. 2. Making sure the fire is related. 3. Monitoring hotspot. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to deal with wildfire? Provide burning distance. Make sure the fire is related. 3. Monitoring hotspot. 4. Doing patrol. And the last, make a water tank. And that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. So based on your mind map, how do you categorize wildfires by the cause? Is it by human activity or is it natural change?
It is natural change. Human activity.
Okay, human activity, because you do not throw cigarette butts carelessly in forest area. So, how to prevent? Oh no.
Do not make bonfire in fire-prone area.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Regina. Now, the presenters comes from Al Razi class. Do you know who is he? Okay, let's call Kak Atar. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Atar. I'm from 6B. Today I will presentation about my poster. My poster is theme volcanic eruption. What is volcanic eruption? A volcanic eruption is an event that occurs when the local mountain at the country explode and splits out lava. How to deal with it? You have to tightly close the windows, doors, and any small event or big fence. How to prevent is close the area that is caused for the volcanic eruption, and then we have to throw test at the place. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. So, volcanic eruption is caused by natural change.
Yeah.
Can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural change and how to deal with it?
Pardon?
Oh, can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural change and how to deal with it?
Another from volcanic eruption.
No, beside volcanic eruption.
Tsunami.
Tsunami, and how to deal with tsunami?
Climb into a big building at the top of the building.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for the nice presentation. Okay, now please call the next presenter. She is Kak Safira. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nindya Safira Pramudita. I'm from 6B Al Razi. Today I would like to present my mind map about landslide. So what is landslide? Landslide is defined as the movement of mass, rock, debris, or earth down a slope. We can predict landslide, so we must anticipate it. To anticipate we must know what is the causes of landslide and how to deal with landslide. There's few things that can trigger landslide. For the example is deforestation, high rainfall, and many others example. So next, I will tell you about few things of some example of how to deal with landslide. For the example is using terracing method, don't build a house under a cliff, and many others example. So that's all my presentations about landslide. Thank you. Forgive me if there's mistake along of my presentations. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So the question is, have you done anything to prevent landslide?
Yes.
Like what?
Not build house under a cliff.
Okay, well you can also say that I plant a tree or something, but thank you.
Okay, thank you for the nice presentation. Okay, the next presenter is Kak Nurul from Al Razi class. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurul. I'm from 6B and today I will presentation about earthquake. Did you know what is earthquake? Earthquake is a shaking that occurs on surface of earth. The causes of earthquake. Earthquake caused by shifting of the earth. How to prevent earthquake? First, must be built with earthquake-resistant construction in earthquake-prone areas. And second, develop of public facilities with high quality. How to deal an earthquake? First, take cover under the table or a desk if you in the indoors or at home. Second, protect head with some tools like pillow, plank, or boot face. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Kak, thank you for your presentation. So, if an earthquake ever occur, what are you gonna do? If an earthquake occur, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do if an earthquake happen or occur?
I will, if I at home, I will stay and cover my head with a pillow and cover in the table.
Thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you for the presentation. And now let's move to the Al Farazi class. Okay, now please welcome Kak Zaki. Giving applause for Kak Zaki.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Zaki. I'm from 6A. Now I want to presentation about my poster. The title is Natural Damage about Tsunami. Tsunami is water wave causes disturbance on the seabed causes earthquake. Tsunami can also be caused by landslide, volcanic activities, asteroid and comet crash or explode over sea. Here I want to explain about how to face about tsunami. First is find evacuation on evacuation road and safe place. Second, know the information on the local disaster alert while on vacation to the beach. Third, evacuation exercise in various conditions. Fourth, find out how to save bed. Fifth, know local early warning equipment. 5. Record the sound or sign of tsunami early warning. That's our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So tsunami is caused by natural change because of an earthquake under the sea. Okay, can you give Ustada one more example of natural damage that is caused by natural change?
Like earthquake.
Yes, earthquake. Thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you Kazaki for the next presentation. And now let's call the next presenter. She is Kak Nadia. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nadia. I'm from a grade 6A. I was here want to presentation about my mind map. My mind map is about a volcano eruption. The first is why volcano eruption occurs, because the deep within the earth is too hot and make the rock was melt and become a thick flowing. It's called by a magma. And the second is the prevent volcanic eruption. But we must use a wear a long sleeve shirt and a long pants. Use the goggles or some glasses to protect your eyes. If ash is continually falling, you may not be able to shelter indoors for more than a few hours. And the third is dealing with a volcano eruption. Limit your time outdoors and use a dust mask or a cloth mask as a last resort if you must be outside. That's all from my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So, if a volcano eruption ever happen around your house, what are you gonna do?
Limit your time to go outdoors.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you Kak Nadia for the next presentation. And next presenter, please welcome Kak Zahira. Giving applause for Kak Zahira.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zahira and I am from 6A class. Today I'm going to present you about my natural damage. My natural damage is earthquake. Earthquake is a shaking phenomenon that occurs on the surface of the earth. Do you know how does it happen? It is happen because usually caused by the movement of the earth crust. The frequency of a region refers to of the type and size of the earthquakes experienced over a period of time. This is how it looks like when the earthquakes are happen. Do you know how to face it? Well, just find a place that can protect your head and neck. Example, just hide under the table and hold it until the earthquakes start getting stopped. I think that's all of my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Kak for your presentation. So earthquake is caused by natural change.
Yes.
Right. One of natural damage that is also caused by natural change is tsunami.
Yes.
If when an earthquake occurs, you need to hide under the table, right?
Yes.
But what if tsunami occur?
No.
What will you do?
Just
do you need to find somewhere higher?
no. Just maybe we can go to the top of the building. Yes.
Yes, okay, thank you Kak.
Okay, thank you Kak Zahira for the nice presentation. And now let's move to the Al-Razi class. Okay, please welcome Kak Raka.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Raka, I'm from 6th grade. Now I will present about my project. The title is Soil Pollution. The definition is soil pollution is the presence of chemicals such as pollution or contained in the soil which can be toxic. And the cause is first agricultural waste. Excessive use of pesticides and chemical fertilizer can cause soil contamination. Second, pesticides and fertilizers will be absorbed into soil, making soil infertile. Those are the cause of soil pollution. And how to prevent? First, recycle inorganic waste such as plastic, metal, glass, rubber, and the other. The second, do not throw detergent waste into the ground or waterways. And the third, preserving the sustainability of plant to reduce the erosion of topsoil layer by rainwater. And how to deal? Emerge a more eco-friendly model for industry, farming, and start breeding, among other economic activity, improve urban planning and transport planning and wastewater water treatment, improve the management of mining waste, restore the landscape, and convert topsoil. That's all of my present. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation.
Yeah.
So you have told us about ways to prevent soil pollution.
Yeah.
But have you actually done something to prevent soil pollution?
Yes.
And what did you do?
Recycle.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, giving applause for Kak Raka. Okay, now let's call the last students. Do you know who is he? Okay, let's call Kak Zia. Please welcome to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Suar bin Syabidin, or usually called Siu. Today I want to present about flood. So what is flood? In general, the main cause is high rainfall or high tides. Another cause could be due to the condition of the land surface, which is lower than the sea, or the locations of the area with a narrow outflow of water. In addition, the cause of flooding is also often due to human activities. How to prevent flood? Reforestation of plants, especially types of plants and trees that can absorb water quickly. Multiply and provide open land to make green land for water absorption. Stop building housing on river banks because it will narrow the river and houseways will also enter the river. So the solution is 1. Make river and ditch functions work properly. 2. Carry out reforestation of plants, especially types of plants and trees that can absorb water quickly. And 3. Expand and provide open land to make green land for water absorption. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your presentation. So the question is, so flood can also caused by human activity.
Yes.
Like throwing rubbish in the sea or water blockage and so on. So have you actually done something to prevent flood?
Yes.
Yeah, can you mention one of the activity?
Planting trees.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. Okay, finally we come to the end of this event. Okay, before Ustazah close our event, Ustazah will check your enthusiasm with our tagline. Student assembly and do your best. Once more, student assembly, take action and do your best. Okay, thank you for your cooperation today. Sorry if I have many mistakes in my explanation today. See you on the next event, student assembly. See you. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.